guys, good evening. How are you? How was your day?
Good evening, good evening.
I am so sorry for the delay. I have been facing some technical issues. So sorry. तो कल whatever I taught yesterday, सबको समझ में आया ना? The basics and all, candlesticks, the basics.
Yes.
Yes, बहुत बढ़िया. Participate guys, participate. आज तो strategy सीखेंगे. आज सबको बहुत मजा आएगा. आज सीख के ही कल से पैसा कमाना चालू. हाँ. Today you learn strategy, from tomorrow you start earning money. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो. Okay guys, so today एकदम बिल्कुल. Just give me a minute. Okay. So today आज हम लोग दो strategy सीखेंगे. First we'll start with the basic one, and then after that we'll move on to a more advanced one. So I'll share my iPad screen with you. Everyone is ready now. Whoever is joined, everyone is ready now. Then only I will start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. I share my iPad screen. Give me a minute. Okay, you guys can see it. आ रहा है ना? Screenshot हो रहा है ना?
हाँ.
Okay, so first we'll explore a basic strategy. Okay, see, yesterday we started our trading journey. So first we'll learn a simple and a basic strategy. First we'll learn breakout and retest strategy. कल मैंने समझाया था थोड़ा बहुत breakout क्या होता है. The price will break. Suppose ये है, this is a resistance level. So the price breaks a resistance level. This is called breakout. So, and suppose ये एक और resistance level है. The price breaks out this resistance level and then comes down, and then again goes up. This is called retest. इतना सा clear हुआ? मैं इसमें I will go much more deeper, but ये basic concept clear हुआ?
हाँ.
चलो ठीक है. Now first you need to know how to make support and resistance line. See, support and resistance simple है. इसका मतलब ये है, resistance मतलब support and resistance दोनों lines है. These are lines. Suppose यहाँ पे 400, 300, 200, 100. Support and resistance are basically lines. You can draw support and resistance lines. So support and resistance are basically lines. So when the price, देखिए ऐसे आप line draw कर लियो, ठीक है ना? How will you draw a line? First things first. How will you draw a line? You will see in the chart कि there are certain levels, there are certain price points. Suppose इसे इधर देखते हैं. Okay. So there are certain price points where the price goes and then comes down. Price फिर से वहां पे गया, फिर से नीचे आ गया, वहां पे गया, फिर से नीचे आ गया. ठीक है? So you can see that at this price point, say this is 300. At this price point, the price is continuously going, touching the level and coming down. Going, touching rupees 300 level and coming down. Going, touching rupees 300 level and coming down. So when there are two such points, suppose 300 में ऐसे दो बार the price touched and came down. So we can draw a line connecting these 2 points. ऐसे हम लोग line खींच लेंगे. We'll draw a line connecting these 2 points. This is called resistance. Same, suppose see here, let's say here is 200. यहाँ पे 200 रुपया. Here is 200. So you can see the price is coming down at 200 level and then going. The price is again coming down at 200 level, then again going down. The price is, you can see यहाँ पे price आया नीचे, 200 को टच किया, फिर से ऊपर चला गया, आया 200 को टच किया, ऊपर चला गया, आया 200 को टच किया, ऊपर चला गया. So at 200 level, we'll draw a line that connects majority. Suppose देखिए यहाँ पे it can also be here. See, ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि fourth time में यहाँ पे नहीं आके यहाँ पे. तो we will not make a support line like this. ऐसे नहीं. We'll draw straight line. We'll always draw straight line. Either like this, or like this, or like this. We'll always draw straight line. तो यहाँ पे आके we'll draw a support line. A support line is that line where the price comes. ठीक है? Price आया, उस level को touch करके ऊपर चला गया. And we'll draw support line which connects the maximum points. It do not need to connect all the 4 points. It can connect the maximum points. Out of 4 points, देखिए आप draw किया, ऐसे straight line draw. वहां पे प्राइस आया, टच किया, ऊपर गया, टच किया, ऊपर गया. इफ सपोज प्राइस 4 बार नीचे है, 4 बार नीचे है, आउट ऑफ 4 टाइम्स 3 टाइम्स भी प्राइस उस लेवल को टच किया ना, तब भी देयर आल्सो वी कैन ड्रॉ अ लाइन एंड वी कॉल दिस अ सपोर्ट. क्लियर गाइस? यहां तक क्लियर है?
हाँ.
क्लियर है ना? प्लीज टेल इफ यू हैव एनी. अभी तक मैं जो समझा, अगर इसमें डाउट है प्लीज से.
नो समझ में आ गया ये.
चलो, ये है, this is how we draw, this is how we draw support and resistance line. There are a lot of ways to draw support and resistance lines, but the four most standard way of drawing support and resistance lines are: number 1, basic support and resistance. Sorry, see, basic support, basic resistance. एकदम सिंपल सा है. दिस इज सिंपल सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस. हाउ कैन यू ड्रॉ सिंपल सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस? प्राइस ऐसे continuously, suppose say this is 300 level, the price is continuously going and touching, so here we will draw a basic support line. ऐसे हम लोग ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, हो गया basic support line. Resistance, now basic resistance, suppose this is 200 level, price आ रहा है नीचे, continuous इसको ऐसे कर रहे हैं, continuously it is not able, the price is not able to go down. Sorry, this is basic resistance. Sorry. The price is not able to go down below 200. The price is not able to go down below 200. It is coming towards 200. It touches 200 and then again goes up, comes down and again goes up. So here we'll draw a basic support line. These are simple. These are simple support and resistance. Here हो गया the first ways of how you can draw basic support and basic resistance lines. Now, the third way of drawing support and resistance lines is CDH and CDL. CDH stands for current day high. CDH stands for current day high and CDL stands for current day लो. देखिए, current day high का मतलब high means, कल ही मैं समझा दिया, high means the maximum price point. High मतलब the maximum price point. Current day high मतलब suppose now is not 7:20 p.m. but rather अभी चल रहा है, let's for an example, let's say now it's 12 p.m. और market खुलता है 9:15 a.m. So till 9:15 a.m. and now is 12 p.m. Suppose हम लोग अभी trading करें, we are now trading and now is 12 p.m. So from 9:15 to 12, the maximum price point आज के दिन में from 9:15 to 12 in today's day, within today's day, the maximum price point the stock will say this as current day high. And the lowest price point the stock has gone, we will say that as current day low. Suppose आप अभी now let's say now it's 2 p.m. So from 9:15 to 2 p.m. now you are trading and now it's 2 p.m. let's say. So from 9:15 to 2 p.m. जो price point को price maximum गया है, we will say that as current day high, and जो lowest गया है, we will say that as current day low. ठीक है? So let's see how it works. Okay, so let's say this is 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's say this is 9:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. Okay, let's say now, for example, let's say at 9:30, 9:15 को मार्केट यहाँ पे ओपन हुआ, 9:15 को मार्केट 100 रुपीस पे मार्केट ओपन हुआ. At let's say at 11:30 the price went up and touched ₹600. प्राइस ऊपर जाकर ₹600 को टच किया. So if you are trading at 12:30, suppose you opened your laptop and you started trading at 12:30, ठीक है, and when मतलब आप 12:30 बजे लैपटॉप खोल के ट्रेड कर रहे हो, तब प्राइस है यहाँ पे. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से द प्राइस इज हियर, So when you are trading at 12:30, at that moment, the current day high is at this level, because till then the price reached a maximum of rupees 600, and the current day low is at rupees 100, because till that moment on that particular day प्राइस सबसे नीचे 100 रुपया में ही गया था, उसके नीचे नहीं गया था. सो दिस इज CDL. करंट डे एंड करंट डे लो कैसे मार्कआउट करना, ये क्लियर हुआ गाइस?
हेलो हाँ
Yes. Yes.
एकदम
क्लियर हुआ?
एकदम
ओके, बहुत
हाँ.
बढ़िया. Now how can we draw support and resistance at current day and current day low? When you pinpoint current day high and current day low, you will simply draw a line. This is how you draw support and resistance levels on current day high and current day low. Now, ये हो गया third way of using current day high and current day low. This is the third way in which you use current day high and current day low to make support and resistance levels. Now, okay, sure. The fourth way is PDH and PDL. Previous day high and previous day low. PDH and PDL, previous day high and previous day low, is absolutely same to current day and current day low. बिल्कुल same. The only difference is in current day high and current day low, you are using today's price. और previous day high में we'll use it कल जो market का पूरा move हो गया, कल we will be using it past tense. कल 9:15 to 3:30 जो market move था, कल हो गया, कल का बाद कल खत्म. So कल जो maximum price point reach किया था price, that will be previous day high, and the lowest price point that particular stock reached yesterday will be previous day. समझ में आया? Am I clear?
हाँ
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes.
Now we can move on. So these are the 4 ways. See, there may be a lot of ways, but as a day trader, for day trading purposes, these 2 strategies I will be discussing today are absolutely for day trading purposes. For day trading purposes, these are the most 4 relevant ways to make to mark support and resistance levels. If you can mark support and resistance levels using these 4 ways, it's enough for day trading purposes. Now,
At the end, just show a live example of that chart.
yeah, of course. Just I thought after that I will show you, but no problem.
It's fine. You carry on.
No, it's not an issue. Okay, you guys can see my screen.
या
Okay, now okay. Let's. Yeah, I marked it here. See. Okay, this is today's chart, 21st September. Okay, so I was trading at 11:45. I was trading today at 11:45. So when I was trading at 11:45, at that time, the current day low was this level, right? Clear? Ekdam? Because tabhi tak, till then, the lowest price point, this asset, stock 5, the lowest price point Bank Nifty reached was this level. So this is the current day low. Clear?
Yes.
And this is the current day high. At 11:45, see, at 11:45, you can see the time in black bar below. Thoda niche dekho screen mein, you can see. At black bar is written 11:45. At 11:45 AM, the current day low was this level and the current day high was this level, because this was the highest price point Bank Nifty reached today. And this was the lowest price point Bank Nifty reached today till 11:45. But for example, say, Arghadeep, you are trading at, let's say, at 145. You are trading at 145. So at 145, this is no longer the current day low, because the price has moved even lower. The price has come down even lower to this point. So if you are trading at 145, so at 145, the current day low is this level. This level is just a basic support level. This level is just a basic support level. Okay. So this, see how why is this a basic support level? See, when you draw a line here, see, you draw a line here, ठीक है ना? आप एक line को खींच लो, ठीक है? This is a basic support and resistance level. At 11, at 145, this level is no longer current low because the price made a new low. एकदम simple सा बात है. 145 में price made a new low. This is the current low. This is no longer the current low. बात खत्म. But this level has now become a basic support and resistance. You can see price नीचे आया, touch किया, ऊपर चला गया. मतलब it is acting as a support level. यहाँ पे भी देखो, price ऊपर गया, इसी level को touch किया, it is acting as a resistance level. यहाँ पे आया देखो, price is continuously touching, taking support from this level. Price is not able to go below this level. Price is taking support from this level. So this is a support and resistance level. Clear हुआ?
Yep.
नहीं, please, अगर कोई भी doubt है, tell me guys. No issue.
No, I understood the part.
Okay, everyone then understood. Okay, all right.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Now, just okay. So now you guys have understood how to draw support and resistance lines for day trading purposes. Okay, so now how will you treat a support and resistance line? Remember, this is a line. Okay, this is the line. When the price is below this level, see, support and resistance line. Okay, you guys take a screenshot of this, remember this, whatever you like, but do एकदम crystal clear होना चाहिए. Support and resistance lines act like a magnet and always attract the price towards it. The price basically इसका मतलब ये है, the price will always try to move towards the support and resistance level. The price suppose यहाँ पे support level है, ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे support level है. Price ऐसे straight line में always नहीं जाएगा. Maybe for a particular for few moments price ऐसे जाएगा. But after that, price always will move towards it. Support and resistance levels are like magnets. The price will always try to move towards or away from the support and resistance level. The price will always try to move towards the support and resistance level. Clear? समझ में आया ना? Now let's. Okay. So, for example, this is a level. We don't know as of yet. अभी तक हमें नहीं पता. Now, till now, we don't know if it is a support or resistance level. Remember, when you guys make a level and when the price is below it, this level will always be resistance level. जब price एक level के नीचे रहेगा, that level will be resistance. और जब level price के नीचे रहेगा, when the level is below the price, it will be support. जब price के ऊपर level रहेगा, this level will be resistance, and when the level will be below the price, it will be support. Clear हुआ? ये एकदम clear हुआ?
Can you repeat?
By let's say ऐसे price गया, ठीक है ना? Let's say ऐसे price गया, ऐसे गया. अभी price यहाँ पे. Now the price is here. Based on previous data, you can see कि यहाँ पे दो बार it make too high, so you drew a line here. ठीक है? You drew a line here, and here also you drew a line. Now, can you tell me when the price is here, which one is support and which one is resistance? See, the name suggests resistance का basically मतलब ये है कि touch करके नीचे जाएगा. Resistance negativity, support means positivity. In stock market terms, positivity means price ऊपर जाएगा, negativity means price नीचे जाएगा. ये एकदम simple सा चीज. So, when आप यहाँ पे दो line खींच लिए, बहुत बढ़िया. अभी the price is here. When a particular line is above the price, when the line is above the price, it will be resistance. We will view the line as a resistance. मतलब this line, the purpose of this line is to prevent the price from going beyond it. This line does not want the price to go beyond it. And when a level is below the price. See, ये price के ऊपर है and ये line price के नीचे है. When the level is below the price, we will call this as support. The purpose of the support is to not let the price go below this level. The support does not want the price to go below this level. The support does not want this. So support का काम क्या है? Support will always push the price high. Resistance, the purpose of resistance is always to push the price down. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, listen me. Give me just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Someone is emergency calling me. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया ना कि how can we determine which level is support and which level is resistance? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is, you guys say, you guys have to answer. What is the purpose of a resistance level?
So it doesn't allow the price to go above that mentioned line.
Absolutely. Resistance level does not want the price to go above it, and support level does not want the price to go below it. That's why whenever the price touches the resistance level, that pushes the price down. Simple. I am like teaching you guys ekdam in the most simple words. And support level, price आएगा, support level को touch करेगा, support level will push the price up. बात खत्म. Now, what happens? See, these are not 100% win rate. See, win rate matlab, these are not 100% effective. Support and resistance lines are not 100% effective. They are not 100% effective. You guys only imagine if support and resistance lines are 100% effective. मतलब suppose यहाँ पे support level है, यहाँ पे resistance है, यहाँ पे support है. If those were 100% effective, then our market would have always gone sideways. इसको touch कर रहे हैं नीचे आ रहा है, इसको touch कर रहे हैं ऊपर जा रहे हैं. ना ही market कभी ऊपर जाता, ना ही market कभी नीचे जाता, because it would have been impossible if support and resistance lines were 100% effective. So what happens when the price breaks support level? ये जो resistance level है, when the price ultimately breaks this resistance level, what happens? जैसे price ने इसको break किया, see down, the price is above this level. This level is now below the price, so this level will act as support. As soon as the price broke, price तोड़ के ऊपर चला गया ना, तभी ये level देखो, ये level price के नीचे आ गया. और मैं कब बोला रेजिस्टेंस लेवल तभी होगा जब वो लेवल प्राइस के ऊपर रहेगा. अब ये लेवल प्राइस के नीचे आ गया. So for this price point, when the price is here, for this price point, this level will no longer act as a resistance. It will rather act as a support because ये level price के नीचे आ गया. Similarly here also, when the price ultimately breaks this support level, at this price point, this level will no longer act as support. It will act as resistance because अब प्राइस इस लेवल के नीचे आ गया. अब ये लेवल प्राइस के ऊपर है, और जब प्राइस के ऊपर लेवल होता है, that level is resistance. So a support level after broken, okay, let me write. A support level after broken will act as the resistance. A resistance level. After broken will act as the support. Clear? अभी तक clear एकदम?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
चलो. Okay, बढ़िया. Fantastic. Now breakout. Now I have now I have taught you guys the fundamentals, the dynamics of support and resistance level. Support and resistance level कैसे काम करते हैं. Now what is breakout? The strategy we are learning now is breakout and retest strategy. For that, I needed to teach you how support and resistance works, what is support and resistance, how to protect. So that part is done. Now, सो ये जो प्राइस को ब्रेक किया ना, सी द प्राइस, ये जो प्राइस था, यहाँ पे जो प्राइस था, ये जो रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को ब्रेक किया ना, इस इवेंट को, इस फेनोमेनन को वी कॉल दिस फेनोमेना एज ब्रेकआउट, वी कॉल दिस इवेंट एज ब्रेकआउट, दिस इज ब्रेकआउट। ठीक है, इसके बोलते हैं ब्रेकआउट। जब भी एक प्राइस रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को तोड़ के ऊपर चला गया, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि चलो प्राइस ने भी ब्रेकआउट दे दी। जब एक प्राइस सपोर्ट को तोड़ के नीचे चला गया, हम बोलते हैं कि चलो प्राइस ने भी एक ब्रेकडाउन या फिर ब्रेकआउट, व्हाटएवर, ब्रेकआउट दिया या फिर ब्रेकडाउन दिया। आया ना समझ में?
हाँ
ओके
जी गुरु जी।
फिर चलो, प्राइस यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट दे दिया। व्हाट इज रीटेस्ट? रीटेस्ट का मतलब व्हाट एवर द नेम सजेस्ट, रीटेस्ट मतलब रीटेस्ट करना, फिर से टेस्ट करना, रीटेस्टिंग दिस लेवल। प्राइस ने इसको ब्रेक कर दिया। रीटेस्ट मतलब द प्राइस वांट्स टू टेस्ट दिस लेवल अगेन, एज सिंपल एज दैट। द नेम ओनली सजेस्ट द मीनिंग। रीटेस्ट मीन्स टेस्टिंग वन सेकंड, डबल चेकिंग। तो जब प्राइस ब्रेक कर दिया ना, जब प्राइस ब्रेक कर दिया 6 out of 10 times, okay 5 out of 10 times, तो almost a lot of times this happens कि प्राइस ब्रेक करने के बाद प्राइस फिर से नीचे आता है। आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग द प्राइस कम्स डाउन अगेन, देन you know this was our resistance level was, after breakout it is acting like the support level. After breakout this resistance level will act as the support level for this price, right? So क्या होता है, ब्रेकआउट करने के बाद प्राइस नीचे आता है, बिकॉज व्हाट आई सेड, these lines are magnet, these lines will always attract the price towards it. तो प्राइस यहाँ पे तोड़ के तो ऊपर गया, but this line is a magnet, it attracted the price towards it, ये आया, क्या होता है यहाँ पे टच करके, now it's a support level, the support level will give the price push so that it can go up, टच करके ऊपर चले गया, टच करके ऊपर चला गया। this phenomenon is called retest. This phenomenon is called retest. Price तोड़ा लेवल को, the resistance became support, price आया, it touched the support, touch करके support लेके ऊपर चला गया. This is called retest. Same here. Suppose यहाँ से price जैसे नीचे आया, this was support. Now after breakout, यहाँ पे breakout हुआ. After breakout, this level became resistance. Now the resistance, what I say, resistance is a magnet. The work of resistance is to attract the price toward it. After breakout, the resistance started attracting the price toward it. Price went toward the resistance. And what is the purpose of resistance? The purpose of resistance is to push the price away, push the price down. तो यहाँ पे आया, resistance को छुआ और price नीचे चला गया. This phenomenon is called retest. समझ में आएगा रीटेस्ट?
एकदम।
ओके, so now let's look at some live example. What is support? Okay, now okay, उसके पहले so how to take a trade? Today we are here to learn strategy, right? Not only concept. So how to take a trade on breakout and resist? ऐसे ट्रेड लेते हैं, जैसे ही इसको ब्रेक किया ना, जैसे इसको ब्रेक किया, okay, let's do a neat and clean example. जैसे ही इसको ब्रेक किया, ब्रेकआउट हुआ, हम लोग यहाँ पे एंटर ले लेंगे, विल एंटर द ट्रेड हियर। और कल क्या बोला था, लॉन्ग, गोइंग लॉन्ग मींस बाइंग, गोइंग लॉन्ग मींस बेटिंग दैट द मार्केट विल गो अप, मार्केट विल गो अप, एंड गोइंग शॉर्ट मींस बेटिंग दैट द मार्केट विल गो डाउन। तो यहाँ पे जब ऊपर की तरफ ब्रेकआउट किया, ऊपर ब्रेकआउट किया, इसका मतलब क्या है, मार्केट, वी आर प्रेडिक्टिंग दैट द मार्केट विल गो अप, तो हियर वी विल बाय as soon as it breaks out, यहाँ पे जब breakout होता है हम लोग यहाँ पे enter करेंगे, and we will place the कब देखिए we have to book the we have to place our target somewhere ना, indefinitely तो नहीं जाएगा ना, we have to place our target somewhere. Suppose I bought at 400, my target is 410. As soon as the price will touch 410, I will sell it. So how will you determine which is the target? How will you determine which is the target? You will set the target as the next support level. यहाँ पे you guys have to analyze, यहाँ पे देखा, यहाँ पे breakout किया, you guys see, चलो यार इसके ऊपर जो resistance level, इसके ऊपर जो support resistance level है वो कहाँ पे? Let's say the next support and resistance level is here. So you will place a target here, and after breakout to enter, and when the price touched this level, you booked your profit. You booked your profit. And SL, always remember, always trade with a SL. SL hit हुआ, we exit the trade. Always trade with an SL, and you will keep an SL just below this below this. How? देखिए, what is SL? SL का मतलब क्या है? SL का मतलब है loss. ठीक है, loss. तो loss कब होगा? Loss कब होगा? When the price will go down instead of going up. You are going long. You have taken a long trade. आप bet कर रहे हो कि market ऊपर जाए. आपका stop loss कब hit होगा? जब market ऊपर जाने के अलावा नीचे जाएगा. So how can you prevent your stop loss from hitting? You can prevent your stop loss from hitting by placing it below this level. See, after breakout, this level will act as support. ठीक है ना? And what is the purpose of support? The purpose of support is pushing the price up. So most probable chances will be, चलो यार price breakout तो क्या? Breakout किया, लेकिन price सीधा ऊपर जाने के पहले थोड़ा नीचे आया, इस support level को touch किया. And purpose of support level will be to push the price up. So you will place a stop loss below support level, not above support level, below support level. So that in case अगर price नीचे भी आ गया, breakout के बाद price नीचे भी आ गया, वो support level से support लेके फिर से ऊपर चला जाए, आपका stop loss नहीं होगा, आप loss नहीं करेंगे. That's why we'll place a logical stop loss below support level. Clear?
Yep.
Okay. Same as here. जब नीचे जाएगा, this is breakout. This is breakout. जब नीचे जाएगा, you will short sell here. यहाँ पे आप short कर दोगे. And after breakout, this will act as resistance. Sorry, yes, this will act as resistance level. It was acting as support. After breakout, this will act as resistance level. Resistance level. So you will place your stop loss above resistance level. यहाँ पे आप stop loss place करोगे, because the purpose of the resistance level is putting the price down, pushing the price down. When you are taking a bet that the market will go down, maybe for some reason instead of directly going down, वो थोड़ा ऊपर चला गया, तो ऊपर चला गया, तो इसका मतलब आपका SL hit होगा. But you don't want to make a loss, right? You don't want to make a loss. You want to protect your SL. जैसे ही आपका SL hit होगा, you have to sell. SL hit हुआ, आपको sell, and whenever you have to sell after hitting your SL, what does that mean? It means you are accepting a loss. So we are human beings. We don't like losses. So we need to avoid our losses, right? So to avoid a loss, we will always place the SL above this resistance zone, above this resistance zone. So when we are going short, जब हम लोग short जा रहा है, when we are going short, we'll place the SL above the resistance level, so that even in case the market goes up, it will take resistance from this resistance level and it will again go down, and our stop loss will not get it. And we will book the profit as the next support zone. नीचे जा रहा है, मैं क्या बोला, जब कोई level price के नीचे रहेगा, it will be a support zone. We will book the profit as soon as the price will touch the next support zone. Why will you book the profit at the next support zone? Because the purpose of support is to push the price up. Suppose यहाँ तक आप 100 रुपया profit कर रहे हो, let's say ये जो market नीचे नामा, till then you are making 100 rupees profit. If you don't sell here, if you don't sell as the support level, the purpose of the support level is to push the price up. So the support level pushes the price up, and someone books the profit here. So let's say trader A will make a profit here. Trader A will make a profit of rupees 100 because he booked his profit as soon as the price touched this level. But trader B did not respect the support level. जब ये touch हुआ, profit book नहीं, वो hold किया, she did not sell, she or he, that person did not sell, they held on to the trade. सपोर्ट लेवल को टच किया, सपोर्ट लेवल फिर से प्राइस को ऊपर भेज दिया. So after she understood her mistake, she booked the profit here, and let's say she made rupees 60 profit. So this is why you have to have, देखिए आप जब प्रॉफिट बुक कर रहे हो ना, you have to keep a logical target, you have to keep a logical profit. आप 1000 का, suppose you are trading with 1000 rupees, you can't think out of 1000 rupees you will make 1000 rupees. That's stupid. You have to think logical. 1000 rupees का ट्रेड कर रहे हो, आपका प्रॉफिट टारगेट होना चाहिए 100 200, that's it. 1000 rupees में 1000 rupees प्रॉफिट मतलब 100% रिटर्न. Where do you get 100% return? So you have to accept your profit and accept your losses logically. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Guys, clear. See, if you have guys any doubt, ask me. No problem. Ask me.
No, I got it.
Okay. ये हो गया ब्रेकआउट. Now retest. Retest is simple. Retest, breakout means you are buying at the breakout. See, risky traders क्या करते? There are two types of traders, risky and safe traders. Risky traders are those traders who has big guts, who has very big guts to take extreme risks. See, मैं बोला था रिटेस्ट कब होता है? ऊपर चला गया ना, ये देखो, ये तोड़ के ऊपर चला गया. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि ऊपर ये बस फेक था, ऊपर जाके फिर से नीचे आ गया. तो ऐसा क्या होता है, जो रिस्की ट्रेडर यहाँ पे ट्रेड लेते हैं, लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दे सेल गेट हिट बिकॉज इट ब्रोक्स अप, ऊपर गया फिर से नीचे आ गया ऐसे. सो सेफ ट्रेडर्स क्या करते हैं? यूजुअली सेफ ट्रेडर्स दे वेट, ऐसा ब्रेकआउट हो गया ना, बट दे डोंट बाय हियर, दे वेट फॉर अ रीटेस्ट. जब इस लेवल को रीटेस्ट किया फिर से ऊपर जाने लगा, दे बाय हियर. Safe traders buy here. Same, safe traders will not buy here. They will not buy here. Safe traders will wait. प्राइस तोड़ा, प्राइस ऊपर गया, प्राइस फिर से इस लेवल को टच करके नीचे आया, then safe traders will buy. This is retest strategy, and this is break. If you buy here, it's called breakout strategy. If you buy here, it's called retest strategy. आया ना समझ में? एकदम सिंपल है.
लो.
Yes, समझ में आया ना?
हाँ.
Breakout retest. चलो. Now I will show you some examples from chart. Okay. So just give me a moment. And guys, if you want, I will send all the iPad. ये जो मैं while I'm teaching you, as I'm writing in the iPad, I will send you all the screenshot in the group if you guys want it.
That will be great.
Yeah, both yesterday's also and today's also. I send you the screenshot, no problem. There's so many tabs open. Just give me a minute. Yes, here it is. So let's look at some examples. Okay, see, this is a clear example. See, look at this. Okay, सबको चार्ट दिखाई दे रहा है ना? See, यहाँ पे देखिए.
Yes.
Okay, see here the price is continuously touching. See, price यहाँ पे touch किया, यहाँ पे touch किया, यहाँ पे touch किया. So I drew a line. And since अभी प्राइस ऊपर है, प्राइस इसको टच करके ऊपर जा रहा है, इसको टच करके ऊपर जा रहा है, दिस इज अ सपोर्ट लाइन. व्हेन द प्राइस इज हियर, दिस इज अ सपोर्ट लाइन बिकॉज़ प्राइस नीचे आ रहा है, टच करके ऊपर जा रहा है. अब देखिए, व्हेन द okay, one thing, like I said yesterday, color of candlestick does not matter. In my charts, the red candles are marked as black, and green candles are marked as blue because this looks cooler. That's why I changed it. I like this color combination much. See, red candles are black. Red means market नीचे जाएगा. Negative candles, bear candles, market नीचे जाएगा. Red candles have marked as black, and green candles, positive candles, bull candles are marked as blue. So see, यहाँ पे टच करके, यहाँ पे टच करके, यहाँ पे टच करके constantly ऊपर जा रहा है, constantly. After this, see, at this point, a strong negative candle breakout दे दिया. This is breakout. ठीक है, एकदम चार्ट में समझ में आ रहा है, ये ब्रेकआउट है. ये सपोर्ट लेवल को तोड़ दिया, ये ब्रेकआउट है. समझ में आया ना? ये ब्रेकआउट है. ये देखो नीचे गया, I told you these lines act as magnets. These lines act as magnets. After breakout नीचे गया, the line started pulling the price towards it. नीचे गया, वो फिर से ऊपर आ गया, फिर से ऊपर आ गया. देखो फिर से यहाँ से रिजेक्शन खाया. कल मैं क्या समझाया था? हायर प्राइस रिजेक्शन. This is resistance. See, this is very good retest. This is a very good retest. This is a very good retest. Retest resistance. This is a very good retest. First of all, after breakout, this support level is acting as resistance. This support level is acting as resistance. तो यहाँ से price तोड़ा, तोड़ने के बाद ये resistance level हो गया. The resistance level is pushing the price down. At the time आया, the resistance level attracted the price toward it, and now the resistance level will push the price below. So when the price came toward it, the resistance level is pushing the price down, and above that it is also getting HPR, higher price rejection. Higher price rejection मतलब क्या? The bears are more powerful, the negativity is powerful than bulls. So I am getting a selling pressure from resistance level as well as from HPR. So this is very good. देखो market कितना नीचे गिर गया. And मैं कहाँ पे SL रखा? देखो मैंने SL रखा, ये जो लेवल है इसके ऊपर, ये रेजिस्टेंस लेवल के ऊपर मैंने SL रखा. मेरा SL देखो मार्केट ऊपर गया. देखो मैं बेट कर रहा था, I was betting कि market will go down, but market went up. मार्केट ऊपर गया. But I kept a logical SL, तो मेरे SL हिट नहीं हुआ, मुझे लॉस बुक नहीं करना पड़ा. Instead of booking loss, I booked an excellent profit. Okay, let's see one more example. All right, look at this. Look at this. How can we book profit? Okay, see. The price is constantly, देखो price sideways जा रहा है, ठीक है ना? Price sideways जा रहा है, but suppose ये एक लेवल है, इसी लेवल को price touch करके sideways जा रहा है. तो जब इस लेवल को टच कर रहा है, what is this? This is acting as a support level, क्योंकि प्राइस इसके ऊपर है, the price is above this level. Support came down, took support, went up, came down, took support, went up, came down, took support, went up. Same is happening here. This is the support level. Price आ रहा है. How can you draw? Of course you can easily draw. See, the price is constantly moving. You can easily draw a line here. चलो ये सबको point को connect करके you can easily draw a line here. That line has become the new support and resistance level. As simple as that. तो देखो यहाँ पे ये सपोर्ट लेवल है, ठीक है ना? दिस इज अ रिटेस्ट स्ट्रेटेजी. इन दिस स्ट्रेटेजी, सी आई हैव नॉट टेकन एन एंट्री एट ब्रेकआउट. सी दिस इज वेयर माय ट्रेड स्टार्टेड. दिस ब्लू बॉक्स, दिस ब्लू एंड ग्रे बॉक्स, दिस बॉक्स इज वेयर माय ट्रेड स्टार्टेड. I waited for a retest. I was playing safe. I waited for a retest. So यहाँ पे प्राइस तोड़ा, breakout happened here, breakout यहाँ पे हुआ, but I did not buy here. I waited for a retest. So see, after breakout, the price went down. But it went up again. Price फिर से ऊपर चला गया. And it took a retest from here. यहाँ से retest खाया. Now this after breakout, ये जो breakout हो गया ना, इसके बाद this support level will act as resistance. This support level will act as resistance. See, यहाँ से resistance पाया. The purpose of resistance is to push the price down. As soon as the resistance, देखो ये level को touch करके ये जो negative candle हुआ ना, as soon as this negative candle happened, I entered my trade here because I saw that the resistance is doing its work. Resistance का काम है प्राइस को नीचे भेजना. यहाँ पे टच करके देखो, रेजिस्टेंस ने प्राइस को यहाँ से यहाँ तक नीचे भेज दिया. I know the resistance is doing its work. I entered the trade here. I kept my stop loss above the resistance level, see, because I know the resistance is working. So I'll put my stop loss just above the resistance level. I put my stop loss above the resistance level and target. See, I have written major level. So these levels are also support and resistance level. देखो इसके पहले शायद कैंडल, देखो यहाँ से मेरे पास ये जो स्क्रीनशॉट है यहाँ से, इसके पहले शायद यहाँ पे आया था. तो based on previous actions, based on previous price action, I made this level. Before this, इसके पहले जो price move कर रहा, the way the price moved, based on that data, I made this support and resistance level. So as soon as retest here happened, I entered my trade and I booked my profit at this nearest level. ये nearest support and resistance level पे मैंने book कर दिया. Clear guys? समझ में आया? हाँ, see. Try to understand the moment. This is a support level. Price touched, broke down, फिर से ऊपर गया because the levels act as magnets. ऊपर गया. Now after breaking down, इस लेवल के नीचे प्राइस है, so ये लेवल रेजिस्टेंस के जैसा काम करेगा. रेजिस्टेंस का काम क्या है? प्राइस को नीचे भेजना. इसको टच किया, प्राइस नीचे आने लगा, तभी अपन ने ट्रेड को एंट्री लिया और स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ रखा? इसके ऊपर, क्योंकि क्योंकि I know that the price will not go above it because the resistance levels work is to push the price below. So I put the stop loss above it. Try to understand. Okay, you guys watch.
Got it.
Everyone.
हाँ एकदम एकदम
Okay, चलो. Okay. Do you guys want to see one more example?
Yes, please.
sure sure
Okay,
Yes.
let's see one more example. Let's see one more example. Chalo, yes. See, let's look at this example. It is not mandatory, देखो, it is not mandatory कि support and resistance lines हमेशा 180 degree में ही होगा. It's not mandatory that the support and resistance line will always be at 180 degree. The only necessary thing is it has to be a straight line. Support and resistance line, it should be a straight line. But the straight line can be either like this, either like this, either like this. No issues. So here, see, I saw that. यहाँ पे, see, when I touched these 2 points, what I told to draw a support and resistance line, you need to touch at least 2 points. So when I touched these 2 points, I could draw a slanting line. And I can see that the price is following this slanting line. Price is moving along with this slanting line. This slanting line here, price ऐसे is moving along with it. ठीक है? यहाँ पे, see, here the breakout happened. Price इसको तोड़ दिया. Breakout happened. Price तोड़ दिया. I waited for the retest. Price नीचे गया. These lines, what I said, support and resistance line act as magnets. इसके ऊपर गया. फिर से यहाँ से rejection खाया. After, see, this was acting as support because price इसके ऊपर है. It was acting as support. After breakout, it started acting as the resistance level. यहाँ से rejection खाया. See, this black candle means red candle, rejection, negativity. That means the resistance is working. यहाँ से नीचे आया. देखिए, इस resistance level से नीचे आया. I entered my trade here.
Okay.
आया ना समझ में?
हाँ.
चलो एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं, फिर पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. लेट्स लुक एट दिस. सी, देखो प्राइस यहाँ पे आया, फिर से यहाँ पे आया. सो आई कैन इजीली ड्रॉ सपोर्ट लाइन बिकॉज प्राइस इसको टच करके ऊपर जा रहा है, इसको टच करके ऊपर जा रहा है. तो आई ड्रू अ सपोर्ट लाइन हियर. बट लेकिन यहाँ पे आके प्राइस ने, देखो इस कैंडल ने इसको तोड़ दिया. द प्राइस ब्रोक दिस लेवल. But I was again playing safe, so I did not enter my trade here. I was waiting for a retest because after retest, देखो retest gives me more probability. Retest gives me more confirmation. I was waiting for the retest. यहाँ पे retest पर देखो इस लेवल से resistance का प्राइस फिर से नीचे चला गया. जब ये देखो ये क्या बोला, देखो this is a proper engulfing candle. देख रहे हो ना? देखो ये जो बॉडी है इसको पूरा खा लिया. दिस इज अ बियरिश एनगल्फिंग कैंडल एट अ रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. along with HPR. उसके पहले जो कैंडल है HPR means negativity. HPR means bears are more powerful than bulls. When bears are more powerful than bulls, the market comes down. So at this resistance level, I am seeing HPR as well as a bearish engulfing. So and also a retest, क्योंकि यहाँ पे breakout होगा, ये retest and see at this instant I saw retest, bearish engulfing and HPR. So as soon as this candle closed, जब ये candle खत्म हो गया, I entered my trade here. This was the nearest support and resistance level. I booked my trade here. SL above this. Logical. इस week के ऊपर SL रख दिया. Logical. समझ में आया?
हाँ.
चले तो अभी तो प्लीज एवरीवन से ब्रेकआउट रिटेस्ट सबको समझ में है ना? ब्रेकआउट एंड रिटेस्ट स्ट्रेटजी सबको समझ में आया?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move on. Now we will go to a little bit of advanced level. ठीक है, we'll go to a little bit of advanced level. How many of you have heard Bank Nifty and Nifty?
Yes,
Nifty,
I
Bank
heard.
you have heard, right?
सुना ही है सर.
हाँ, तो almost हर कोई सुना है Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this, now we learn two strategies. Okay, two strategies. Day trading strategies for Bank Nifty and Nifty. See, देखिए strategies, there are two types of strategies. Okay, there are two types of strategies. Try to understand. जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ बहुत simple है. Please try to understand. There are two types of strategies. A strategy, number one, there is a type of strategy which has extremely good win rate. What does extremely good win rate means? Ki, okay, extremely good win rate means win rate above 60 or 70%. So let's say a strategy has 70 to 80% win rate. एक strategy का 70 to 80% win rate है. 70 to 80% win rate. So what does this mean? What does this mean? This means कि out of 10 times, 7 to 8 times you will make profit. Okay? As there are two types of strategies. Number one, the first type of strategy is the strategy with a good win rate. बहुत बढ़िया win rate, मतलब 70 to 80%. You guys can imagine. Out of 10 times, 7 to 8 times you will make profit. Out of 7 to 8 times out of 10 times, आपका target hit होगा. This is one type of strategy. Now the second type of strategy is strategy with good risk to reward ratio. Strategy with good risk to reward ratio. This type of strategy, what happens? Okay. Strategy with good risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward matlab loss, proportion of loss. Okay. Ratio of loss and profit. The ratio between loss and profit means in layman's term, एकदम simple language में मतलब suppose आप एक trade ले रहे हो, you are entering a trade, you are risking 1 rupees, but if that trade works, you are making 2 rupees. This is an excellent risk to reward ratio. Excellent मतलब आप ट्रेड ले रहे हो, ठीक है ना? Okay, 4 times. Okay, let's say you are taking 4 trades with 50% win rate. 50% win rate. It means कि you will make losses 2 times. Your stop loss will hit 2 times. आप 2 बार लॉस करोगे और आप 2 बार प्रॉफिट करोगे. ठीक है, ये क्लियर हुआ ना? 4 ट्रेड में 50% विन रेट मतलब 2 बार लॉस 2 बार प्रॉफिट. ये क्लियर हुआ? Now 1 to 2 risk reward ratio means you are risking 1 rupees to earn 2 rupees. इसका मतलब whenever this both times, जब भी आपका SL hit होगा, you will make 1 rupees loss. But this is loss, this is profit. 1 to 2, and means whenever you will make profit, you are making 2 rupees profit. 2 rupees. So how much? See, equal. You are losing 2 times, you are winning 2 times. Yet you are profitable because you are earning 4 rupees, you are losing 2 rupees. You are 2 rupees net profitable. This is a strategy with good risk to reward ratio. Means even if you lose equal number of times as the number of times you win, you are still profitable. आप 4 दिन ट्रेड कर रहे हो, 2 दिन आपका लॉस हुआ, 2 दिन प्रॉफिट हुआ. सपोज आप ट्रेड कर रहे हो एंड यू आर फॉलोइंग अ स्ट्रेटेजी, यू आर ट्रेडिंग 4 days, आप 4 दिन ट्रेड कर रहे हो, 2 दिन आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, 2 दिन आप लॉस किए और बाकी 2 दिन आप प्रॉफिट किए. जब आपका स्ट्रेटेजी में गुड रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो होगा तो आप 2 दिन लॉस करो, 2 दिन प्रॉफिट करो, तब भी आप प्रॉफिटेबल रहोगे. समझ में आया? क्लियर?
हाँ.
ओके, चलो एकदम क्लियर ना? विन रेट और रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो क्या है, समझ में आया ना? नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, यूजुअली यही होता है. एंड सी इन 70 to 80% विन रेट का मतलब यू आर विनिंग, सपोज आउट ऑफ 10 टाइम्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, out of 10 times, let's say your risk to reward ratio is 1:1. 1:1. Usually the strategies with such a high win rate have worse risk to reward ratio. Suppose देखिए, it has suppose आप ₹1 you are risking ₹1 in a trade, in one trade you are risking ₹1 to earn, let's say 70 paisa, 80 paisa. But why then? Why are you stupid that you will take that trade? Why will you take the trade? Because you know I will win majority of the times. Out of 10 times, I'll win 70 to 80 times. Out of 100 times, I will win 70 to 80 times. I will win majority of the times. So even so, ultimately, I will be profitable. Simple mathematics, ekdam basic simple mathematics. So let's say 70% win rate, and I am actually considering a good risk reward ratio. See, this is excellent. 1:2, excellent. 1:1.5, very good. 1:1.5 matlab you are risking ₹1 to earn ₹1.5, 1.5 rupees in one trade. So at 50% win rate, आप 100 में से 50 बार आपका SL हिट हुआ, 50 बार आपका प्रॉफिट हिट हुआ, तब भी आप प्रॉफिटेबल रहोगे. This is very good. And 1:1 is good. It's not bad. It's not bad. See, out of 10 times, आपका SL हिट हुआ 5 times, आपका profit hit हुआ 5 times. So you will not be at a loss. You will be neutral. You neither made a profit, you neither made a loss. You will be neutral. So 1:1 is good. 1:1 is good. Now, so I am taking, see, I am considering 70 to 80% win rate, and I'm considering 1:1. So now, what happens? So let's say loss, but all are profit. All are profit. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 3, 2, 5, 7, 10. Okay, 10. So how much you lost in these 10 days? You lost ₹3. But how much you made a profit? You made a profit of ₹7. So you are net ₹4 profitable. Net ₹4 profitable. Okay? This is how a strategy with high win rate ratio works. आया ना समझ में कि हाई विन रेट रेशियो में जब आप हाई विन रेट रेशियो वाला स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करते हो, हाउ डू यू स्टे प्रॉफिटेबल? और जब आप हाई रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो वाला स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करते हो, हाउ यू स्टे प्रॉफिटेबल? Am I clear, guys? ये समझ में आया? चलो. Now, what happens? See, world sucks, right? Real world sucks. It's fact. So usually what happens ki, usually strategies with such a high risk to reward ratio, good risk to reward ratio wala strategy gives bad win rate. Sorry. Good win rate strategies. The strategies with higher win rate means you are winning 7 to 8 times out of 10 times. Usually have bad risk to reward ratio. Not so great. Okay, not so great. Maximum they usually have 1:1 maximum. When a strategy has such a good win rate, you are seeing such a good win rate means out of 10 times you are earning money 8 times. 10 में से आप 7 से 8 बार you are earning. It's excellent. It's out of the world. So when a strategy has such a good win rate, the risk to reward ratio sucks. The risk to reward ratio is terrible. I am maximum. It is usually less than 1:1. If you are risking ₹1, you will earn less than ₹1 in a single trade. But yeah, in some rare cases, it can happen 1:1. 1:1. Some rare cases it can happen. And usually in this, what happens? And usually in a strategy with good risk to reward ratio, what happens? And usually in a strategy with good risk to reward ratio, you have a terrible win rate. आपका win rate बहुत घटिया होता है, maybe 40%, 50%. 40% win rate means you are losing. Suppose you are trading 10 times. Okay, with a 40% win rate strategy, you are winning only 4 times. 6 times you are losing. 6 times you are losing. That's absolutely rubbish. But a lot of traders follow this type of strategies. Why? Because they have good risk to reward ratio. They have good risk to reward ratio. They have good. Suppose if you are trading at 1:1, see at 1:2. If you are trading at 1:2, in one trade you are risking ₹1. You know that 50% of the times you will lose. But when you will win, you will earn 2 rupees. You will earn 2 rupees. So if you are trading 4 times, see, with a 50%, 50% is absolutely rubbish. Half, it's like a coin toss. You don't know whether you will win or lose. It's a coin toss. So at 50% win rate also, the trader is profitable. The trader is profitable. So this is the reality. A good risk to reward ratio has a terrible win rate. And a good winner strategy has a terrible risk to reward ratio. So we will learn two strategies today. Two strategies for trading Bank Nifty and Nifty. One strategy with an excellent risk to reward ratio. One strategy we'll learn with a very good risk to reward ratio. And we'll learn another strategy with a very good win rate ratio. Two strategies. आज हम लोग 2 strategies सीखेंगे. One has excellent win rate and the other one has very good risk to reward ratio. And both of these strategies is called financed plus X1. Both of these strategies is called finance plus X1. So both strategies are named as finance plus X1. One has an excellent win rate and one has a very good risk to reward ratio. So let's continue. So finance plus X1 is an indicator. X1 strategy. Financed plus X1 is an indicator and finance plus X1 strategy is a strategy that is made around the indicator. Okay. ये है X1 का strategy. So now there are 2 parts in finance plus indicator X1. There are 2 parts. X1A. Let me show you a picture how finance plus indicator X1 looks like. It will be much more clear. So guys, this is finance plus indicator X1. When we add, see, यहाँ से हम add करेंगे. आ गया, यहाँ से हम add करेंगे, ठीक है ना? 2 things get added. These 2 will get added. Both of this is one indicator, ठीक है ना? Both of this is one indicator. ये दोनों अलग indicator नहीं है. Both of this is one indicator. When you add one, both of them will get added. So this is what finance plus indicator X1 looks like. ऐसे ऊपर में ऐसा बार रहता है और नीचे ऐसे 2 लाइन रहता है. एक ब्लू लाइन और एक लाइन जो कलर चेंज होता है और ऊपर एक बार रहता है. These bars are ये ऊपर बार रहता है. Red bar, green bar. So now let's understand how this works. So finance plus indicator X1. These are not 2 separate strategies. This is only one strategy. Finance plus X1 is only one strategy with 70 to 80% plus win rate and an average of 1:1.5 plus win rate. So finance plus strategy में you will get 70 to 80. ये जो हम strategy सीखने वाले हैं, ठीक है ना? We have made it.
Someone is asking a question. Sorry to interrupt.
Okay, I did not notice. Just can you please help the day traders to avoid fake breakouts? Absolutely. You wait and watch. Have patience, Isha. The strategy we are now learning, this prevents fake breakouts. Just keep a little bit of patience. So the strategy we are now learning, these are not 2 separate strategies, but a one strategy with 70 to 80% plus win rate. You are winning 7 to 8 times out of 10 times. And every time you are winning, your risk to reward ratio is 1:1.5 plus, average of 1:1.5 plus. See, अब थोड़ा एक्साइटमेंट हुआ ना गाइस? एक ही स्ट्रेटेजी में आप दो चीज सीख जाओगे. वन स्ट्रेटेजी कवर्स बोथ ऑफ दिस. दिस इज रियल वर्ल्ड. रियल वर्ल्ड में ऐसे होता है. रियल वर्ल्ड में ऐसे होता है. बट we have designed such a strategy. We have made such an indicator. We have designed such a strategy. This the best of both this world. The best of both this world in a single one. एक ही चीज में win rate भी मिलेगा आपको, एक ही चीज में आपको risk to reward ratio भी मिलेगा. Now, how does this work actually? So, when you add x1 to your chart, two things come. As soon as you add, दो चीज आएगा, x1a and x1. x1a will look like this, bars. These bars. And x1 will look like there is a blue line in the middle में से ऐसा blue line जाएगा, and there is a line. This is the x1 line, the index line, the logistic line. ये index line जो है, ये this will move around this median line. ये median line को ऊपर नीचे ऐसे move करेगा. Now, when this line is above this line, it will be green in color. When this line is above this line, it will be green in color. और जब इसके नीचे रहेगा, it will be red in color. Red in color. Now, चलो ये तो समझ में आ गया. We guys now know कि इंडिकेटर में to make this strategy work, हमको चार्ट में ये इंडिकेटर, we have to put this indicator in our chart to make this strategy work. Now we know कि how to read the indicator. इंडिकेटर को कैसे रीड करना. And remember, ये जो bars है ना, these bars will come at an interval of 15 minutes. These bars will come at an interval of 15 minutes. After every 15 minutes, a new bar will come either in green color or in red color. So, but how does this strategy actually works? This strategy is only for Bank Nifty and Nifty for day trading purpose. I am repeating once again. This is only for day trading for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So you will open Bank Nifty chart or Nifty. You open either of the chart. And after opening, you will change the time frame to 5 minutes. We'll change the time frame to 5 minutes. Let me show you how to change that. See, यहाँ पे देखिए, see, you can see my screen. This is time frame. This is 10 minutes. This is 15 minutes. We will change the time frame to 5 minutes. You will change the time frame to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, so you will change the time frame to 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes में आप time frame को change कर दीजिए. Now, अभी till now, अभी जो last 1 hour में हम लोग क्या सीखे? Support and resistance line कैसे बनाना है? We can make support and resistance by basic support and price. एक price level को price बार touch किया support. We can make support and resistance either by that or maybe current day high or current day low. Current day high or current day low. So first we'll open the Bank Nifty chart. We'll move on to 5 minute time frame, and then when the जहाँ पे price है ना, suppose यहाँ पे price, देखिए एकदम simple. देखिए ये सब, see, in trading if you want to be profitable you have to apply common sense. यहाँ पे price है, so एक दिन में one day price कितना मूव करेगा मैक्सिमम? एक दिन में प्राइस देखो. ओके गाइस, सी थोड़ा मुझे सी you have to apply common sense. देखिए, you are trading one day. आप you will buy after 9:15 and you will sell within 3:30. So in one day our price can only move to a limited. थोड़ा ना लिमिट में तो ऊपर जाएगा ना. यहाँ पे ऐसे तो that's impossible. That does not make any sense. So you open the Bank Nifty chart. Suppose price यहाँ पे and you are predicting, चलो यार आज के दिन प्राइस यहाँ तक जा सकते. एक ही तो दिन. I have to sell my trade. I have to exit my trade within 3:30 today. सर कितना मूव करेगा एक दिन में? कितना मूव करेगा? इतना मूव करेगा या फिर इतना मूव करेगा? तो ये जो रेंज है you have to make. तो what I'm trying to say is यहाँ का सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस बना के कोई फायदा नहीं. जो प्राइस है you make a support and resistance level above that. लॉजिकल. थोड़ा use your mind कि यार प्राइस कितना जा सकता है, इतना तक जाएगा, चलो यहाँ तक जो जो सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है वो मैंने बनाया. नीचे अगर प्राइस नीचे जाएगा तो मैक्सिमम यहाँ तक जाएगा, चलो यहाँ तक जो जो सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है वो बना लेता हूँ बस. Okay, so you will make support and resistance level. You will move the chart to 5 minutes, and then you will make support and resistance levels. Now we will take entry on breakout. We'll take entry on breakouts. If how will you take entry? We will take entry when the price for entry. There are 3 criteria for entry. Three criteria for entry. Number one is the price has to respect the basic support and resistance level. The price has to respect basic support and resistance levels. Basic support and resistance level को respect करना मतलब respecting basic support and resistance level. What does we mean by that? इसका मतलब ये है कि सपोज रेजिस्टेंस लेवल से यहाँ पे सपोर्ट या रेजिस्टेंस लेवल से यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लेके नीचे आ रहा है. हाउ कैन वी फिगर आउट कि रेजिस्टेंस लेवल से रेजिस्टेंस खड़ा है? इफ वी कैन सी अ कैंडल विथ हाई एचपीआर. देखिए रेजिस्टेंस लेवल पे वी हैव टू फिगर आउट कि वहां पे एक नेगेटिव कैंडल, एक बियरिश कैंडल हो रहा है कि नहीं. If there is a formation of a bearish candle at the resistance level, we can see that the resistance level is pushing the price. ये तो एकदम सिंपल सा बात होगी. तो यहाँ पे सपोज रेजिस्टेंस लेवल में ऐसे प्राइस हो गया, या फिर रेजिस्टेंस लेवल में ऐसे प्राइस हो गया, राइट? ऐसे हो गया एक engulfing कैंडल या फिर एक bearish hammer. This is one way that the price is supporting basic support and resistance level. This is another way. Suppose यहाँ पे support में आया price and then it made a bullish hammer. ऐसे LPR means up जाएगा, lower price rejection. Bulls are more powerful than bears. Price ऊपर जाएगा. तो ऐसे ठीक है ना? तो सपोर्ट लेवल पे अगर आप engulfing कैंडल देखोगे, सपोर्ट लेवल पे अगर आप ऐसे bullish hammer देखोगे, it means that the price is respecting the basic support and resistance level. Guys, 1 minute. Okay, so ये हो गया. Now, what is the other way? What is the other way that we know that the price is respecting the basic support and resistance level? Suppose ये एक resistance level है, एक bullish resistance level को तोड़ना मतलब क्या? सिंपल लैंग्वेज में रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को तोड़ना मतलब the bulls are more powerful than bears. How can we say that the bulls are more powerful than bears? We can say that the bulls are more powerful than bears. Can say that the bulls are more powerful than bears when the price breaks the resistance level with a bullish candle. As simple as that. Bulls powerful than bear when price breaks resistance with a bullish candle. ठीक है ना? सपोज यहाँ पे जो प्राइस आ रहा है ना, प्राइस इसको तोड़ दिया. कैसे? ऐसे एक बुलिश कैंडल. सपोज व्हाट आर द बुलिश कैंडल? बुलिश हैमर और बुलिश एंगल. ये 2 टाइप का बुलिश कैंडल है. सपोज ऐसा बुलिश कैंडल को होके तोड़ दिया, रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को तोड़ दिया, ऐसे तोड़ दिया रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को, ऐसे तोड़ दिया रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को. Now we know that the price respected the resistance zone, प्रॉपर तरीके से ब्रेकआउट किया. We can enter here, we can enter here, we can enter here, we can enter here. ठीक है? Now let's look at, let's understand all the scenarios. कैसे how can we enter? चलिए मैं आज भी पूरा डीप में जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है ना? पूरा डीप में जा रहा हूँ. Let's analyze all the scenarios, all possibilities. Suppose यहाँ पे सपोर्ट है, प्राइस नीचे आ रहा है, the price is coming down, प्राइस इसको तोड़ दिया, ठीक है? प्राइस इसको तोड़ दिया. So How can we know that it is a proper breakout? How can we know it is a proper breakout? One of the way of knowing, Isha was asking ki how can we avoid breakout, false breakout. Okay guys, those who do not know, false breakout का मतलब ये है कि प्राइस ऊपर गया, ठीक है ना, प्राइस ऐसा ब्रेकआउट दिया, फिर से प्राइस ब्रेकआउट देने के बाद प्राइस ऊपर जाने के वजह फिर से अंदर घुस गया, ये हुआ फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट। फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट में क्या होता है, जो लोग यहाँ पे लॉन्ग ट्रेड लिए, who are betting the market will go up, सबका यहाँ पे एसएल हिट हो गया, सबका लॉस हुआ। This is false breakout. So Isha was asking, what are the ways in which we can avoid this false breakout? One of the way is, see, ऐसे जो breakout है ना, ऐसे suppose breakout का simple मतलब है प्राइस उस लाइन को तोड़ना। तो ऐसे भी ब्रेकआउट हो सकता है ना, ऐसे भी ब्रेकआउट हो सकता है, ऐसे भी ब्रेकआउट हो सकता है। हट, देखिए ऐसे भी ब्रेकआउट हो सकता है, बट यू गाइस नाउ सी ओके, ये है बियरिश हैमर। बियरिश हैमर मतलब क्या है? बियरिश हैमर का मतलब क्या है? बियरिश हैमर मींस प्राइस नीचे जाएगा, सिंपल। बियरिश हैमर का मतलब है प्राइस नीचे जाएगा। जहां पे ब्रेकआउट कर रहे हो, यू आर बेटिंग दैट द प्राइस विल गो अप, बट यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट कैसे हो रहा है? यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है विद अ कैंडल दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स नेगेटिविटी, यस, विद अ कैंडल दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स नेगेटिविटी। यहाँ पे इस कैंडल ने ब्रेकआउट तो दे दिया, बट दिस कैंडल मींस कि प्राइस नीचे जाएगा। सो दीज आर हाई चांसेस। ऐसे कैंडल में पॉजिटिव ब्रेकआउट, अगर ऐसे कैंडल में अगर इफ यू एंटर अ ब्रेकआउट, देयर आर हाई चांसेस कि ब्रेकआउट करके फिर से नीचे आएगा। सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द वे इन व्हिच यू कैन avoid fake breakouts. Guys, can you understand? Please say yes ki why this is a more powerful breakout than this. Can you guys understand that?
हाँ।
समझ में आया?
No.
नो कि ओके, कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हुआ बताओ।
So my internet was lagging, so it wasn't clear for me.
तो इंटरनेट वाज लैगिंग, ओके चलो कोई नहीं, फिर से समझाता हूँ। और किसी को डाउट है? चलो यार कोई नहीं, फिर से समझ।
You can just give a summary instead of going in brief.
हाँ
You can just give a summary instead of going in brief. Like I know the concept, but just for the internet issue, is your voice wasn't clear for me.
अच्छा ठीक है। बेसिकली आई एम सेइंग कि देखो, बेसिकली आई एम सेइंग कि ये जो ब्रेकआउट है ना, यहाँ पे ये जो ब्रेकआउट हुआ, दिस ब्रेकआउट, दीज आर बोथ ब्रेकआउट्स, ठीक है ना। यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट मतलब मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा, एंड वी नो दीज आर द ओनली टू कैंडल्स दैट रिप्रेजेंट पॉजिटिविटी, ठीक है ना। ये कैंडल का मतलब क्या है? विथ एचपीआर मतलब प्राइस नीचे जाएगा। ये कैंडल भी ब्रेकआउट दिया, बट दिस कैंडल रिप्रेजेंट्स HPR, represents negativity. So after this breakout, there are high chances कि मार्केट नीचे जाएगा। There are high chances कि मार्केट ब्रेकआउट तो दे दिया, लेकिन मार्केट फिर से अंदर घुस जाएगा। But with this breakout, see, this is a proper bullish candle with LPR. ये proper bullish candle है ना, एकदम देखो नीचे से पुश आ रहा है ऊपर जाने के। So if when you want to enter a breakout trade, try to look for this type of candle. अगर आप लॉन्ग जा रहे हो breakout trade में, try to look for this type of candles. If you are going long, try looking for this type of candle, because these candles provide the most probable and the most strong breakouts. If you are going short, अगर आप नीचे की तरह breakout जा रहे हो, तो look out for this candle. Try to take entry after a breakdown happens with these candles. Clear हुआ? मैं यही समझाया था। Clear हुआ अभी तुमको? Your concept
Yes,
clear
yes.
हुआ ना?
Yes.
Okay, चलो। So this was one way how you can take entry from a resistance level. This is another way how you can take entry from a support level. Long, short, long. This is short. So यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेवल है, यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेवल है, प्राइस आया, ठीक है ना। ये जो सपोर्ट लेवल है ना, प्राइस ने इसको ऐसे तोड़ा, ऐसे ऐसे तोड़ा, लाइक दिस, ऐसे तोड़ा विथ अ प्रॉपर बियरिश हैमर, एक बियरिश हैमर और एक बियरिश एनगल्फिंग। प्राइस ने इस सपोर्ट लेवल को ऐसे तोड़ा। सो नाउ यू गाइस कैन गो शॉर्ट, you guys can go short because of HPR. This is scenario 4. This is scenario 4. ठीक है, this is scenario 4. Now, okay. So retest. Okay, so this is scenario 4. चलो, now let's move on. So the price has to respect support, basic support and resistance level. ये समझ में आया ना? First criteria समझ में आया guys? Come on, say yes. If you guys have any doubt, ask me. Everyone is asleep or what? Guys,
No, no.
समझ में आया ना? ये फर्स्ट
Yes.
पार्ट समझ में आया ना? फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया।
Yes.
चलो,
Yes.
Yes.
देखो अगर तुम लोग पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, मुझे कैसे समझ में आ रहा है कि तुम लोग समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? चलो, हो गया। फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया इज, ये स्ट्रेटेजी में, इन दिस स्ट्रेटेजी द फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया इज the price has to respect the basic support and resistance levels. The next criteria is while going long, the bar, ये जो bar है ना, we call this bars, okay? ये जो bars है, the bar has to be green. The bar has to be green, and the line and the X1 index line, बेसिकली ये जो लाइन है, सिंपल वर्ड्स में ये जो लाइन है, ये जो कार्व लाइन है जो ऐसे 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 जा रहा है, दिस लाइन हैज टू बी ग्रीन above the blue median line. मीडियन मतलब ये मिडिल वाला लाइन ग्रीन होना पड़ेगा और इस लाइन के ऊपर होना पड़ेगा। और देखो, आप जब ट्रेड लेट्स से यू आर टेकिंग योर ट्रेड हियर, यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे ये ग्रीन है और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ग्रीन है, बहुत बढ़िया। लेकिन ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि यू आर टेकिंग अ ट्रेड हियर, यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे जस्ट क्रॉसओवर दिया, क्रॉसओवर। सो आइदर ये ऑलरेडी लाइन के ऊपर ग्रीन है और क्रॉसओवर, ऊपर की तरह क्रॉसओवर। सपोज यहाँ पे तुम लॉन्ग जा रहे हो, यू आर गोइंग लॉन्ग हियर, ओके, यू आर गोइंग लॉन्ग। यहाँ पे तुम्हें कैंडलस्टिक से क्राइटेरिया 1 फुलफिल हुआ, कैंडलस्टिक से क्राइटेरिया 1 यहाँ पे फुलफिल हुआ। नाउ यू हैव टू लुक एट कि यहाँ पे ये बार ग्रीन है कि नहीं। चलो, ये बार भी ग्रीन है, क्राइटेरिया 2 फुलफिल। अब तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा ये नीचे वाला लाइन ग्रीन है कि नहीं। ये ग्रीन है और ये यहाँ पे अभी क्रॉस ओवर दिया, बहुत बढ़िया। चलो, ये क्राइटेरिया भी फुलफिल हुआ। नाउ यू कैन एंटर अ ट्रेड। This is basically the strategy. While entering a trade, these 3 criteria have to be fulfilled. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now for short entry, absolutely same. Short entry may be yes, support and resistance. This is the first criteria. If this criteria does not work, don't even look at this second and third. First one has to work. One. आप जब ट्रेड करोगे ना, when you are following the study and taking a trade, your mind there should be 3 criteria in your mind. Number 1 always should be support and resistance. If number 1 criteria does not get checked, forget the trade. Don't look at the trade. When number 1 criteria get checked, now you will look at whether these 2 criteria are checked. Now up niche, when you are going short, you have to see whether the price is respecting support and resistance levels. Number 1 criteria check. Now for short, the bar has to be red. The bar has to be red. ठीक है ना, जब अपन नीचे जाएंगे, while going short, the bar has to be red. The bar has to be red. Let's say you are going short here. You are going short here. ठीक है ना, you are going short here. See, यहाँ पे breakout आया, breakout आया. So first criteria hit, first criteria done, first criteria done. At this time, at this first criteria done. Now you will look at the bar. Short means the bar is red. Bar is red, line is red. Bar red है. चलो, second criteria done. Third criteria, ये लाइन रेड होना चाहिए, आइदर ये क्रॉसओवर दिया या फिर ये ऑलरेडी इसके नीचे होगा। सी यहाँ पे it is already below it and it is red. Criteria 3 fulfilled. Now you can enter the short trade. आया समझ में? Don't worry, ये जो रूल है, ये जो मैनुअल है, ये जो रूल सेट है, as soon as the webinar is finished, मैं ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा ये पूरा रूल सेट। मैं आईपैड का स्क्रीनशॉट भेजूंगा, बाय टुमारो मॉर्निंग पूरा वेबिनार का रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दूंगा एंड पूरा आई हैव मेड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीडीएफ सो दैट ये जो रूल्स है एकदम स्टेप बाय स्टेप नीट एंड क्लीन लिखा हुआ है, यू गाइस कैन वॉच इट और पूरा आपके दिमाग में घुस जाएगा। वो मैं as soon I will send it as soon as the webinar is done.
The
So
thing
now
is that actually,
yeah,
the thing
say-
is that you're explaining it in a very simple way, and you're explaining very good. Explanation is very good, but then while applying it in a practical life might be difficult.
No, it will not be difficult. I am showing you an example. It is absolutely easy. Even I traded today only. मैं आज ही ट्रेड किया, ठीक है ना? I am showing you आज मैंने कैसे ट्रेड किया, एकदम सिंपल। ये जो सी when I started, देखिए when I started trading ये बैंक निफ्टी ट्रेड करना ना, the biggest problem I faced was कि trading बैंक निफ्टी and निफ्टी normally, ठीक है ना, normally without any proper indicator. See what is the work of the indicator to understand indicator का काम क्या? Indicator will not indicator आपको ट्रेड नहीं देगा, ठीक है ना? You cannot enter a trade seeing at the indicator. That's why I am saying first you have to look whether the price is respecting the support and resistance level. आप तभी ट्रेड लोगे when the candlestick is suggesting there is a trade possible. Indicator can never say there is a trade here. Candlestick आपको बताए, candlestick will tell you कि चलो यहाँ पे एक ट्रेड आ सकता है. So and what is the purpose of indicator? The purpose of indicator is that it provides more confirmation. Suppose without indicator you are risking 5 rupees in a trade. With indicator you can risk 10 rupees in a trade because the indicator has given you the added confirmation. That is the purpose. That is the only purpose of an indicator, nothing else. So this strategy is made by that X1 indicator. So what the candlestick, when the candlestick respects the basic support and resistance level, that time we are seeing chalo ek trade possible ho sakta hai. Then we will look at X1. If while going along, if both X1 and X1 line are green, the indicator is giving us that extra confirmation we need so that we can risk 10 rupees instead of 5 rupees. ये basic चीज है, ये simple है. Now let's look at some example. बहुत ही simple ये strategy है. See, we made this. If we make it so tough that no one can use, what is the point of making a strategy? What is the point of making an indicator? My sister studies in class 12. मैं एक दिन उसको demo दिया. I taught her. Next दिन out she was using. I gave her 10,000 rupees. She earned like around 800 rupees. Just one day. It is so simple. Basically, this is so simple. See, here you can see. Chalo, that example I was telling. Okay, so here you can see I was trading. चलो आज का example लेते हैं. This is 11:30. Okay, so here look at 11:30 the current day low is this level. यहाँ पे current day low 11:30 में, यहाँ पे current day low है. Just give me a minute. 11:30 में current day low यहाँ पे है. Here is the current day low. And what I said, resistance, support and resistance level updated कर रहे हो ना? See, here is the price. So you will make support and resistance level at a logical. एक दिन में देखो price यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगा maximum. कितना जाएगा? यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाएगा. Unnecessary तो नहीं जाएगा ना? माने impossible move तो नहीं आएगा. एक दिन में limited move आएगा. एक दिन में the stock can only make a limited move. So when the price was here, I made support resistance from this level because this was a massive range for one day. एक दिन में इतना बहुत बढ़िया, it's massive. So I made यहाँ पे जब price था, I made resistance here and support here. So where did I make the support? The support is at current day low, the lowest point. यहाँ पे support किया. I made the support here. Then this bearish candle broke this level. See how easy it is to enter. यहाँ पे bearish candle ने मैंने देखा यहाँ पे break कर दिया इस level को. Criteria 1 done. Support level पे breakout means the price is respecting basic support and resistance level. Criteria 1 done. Now criteria 2. I am planning to go on a short trade, right? नीचे जाना मतलब short trade. I am planning to go on a short trade. Short trade मतलब क्या? X1A should be red, means the bar should be red and the line should be red, and below this blue line, ये line should be red, below this blue line, and the bar should be red. So यहाँ पे जो देखिए, okay, so here, यहाँ पे see, when the price gave this breakout, जब price ने breakout दिया, see the bar was red, ये जब price है तब ये bar follow हुआ, क्योंकि ये bar after this price form हुआ. In live market, I don't know whether which color of this bar will be. I know this bar. Live market में, see, live market में तो ये जो price हो तो मुझे पता नहीं ना. Live market में मुझे बस यहाँ तक डेटा पता है. So when this price broke, ये जो break किया यहाँ पे red bar, and this is the red line. Criteria 1, the price gave proper breakout with a proper bearish engulfing candle. Criteria 1, tick. Criteria 2, red bar, tick. Criteria 3, red line, tick. See, target here. Now, one thing I absolutely forgot to tell you guys. Is that for Bank Nifty, remember, for Bank Nifty, maximum SL is 75 points. सब मैं चार्ट में दिखा दूंगा. I will show you everything in the chart, but अभी you guys know this data. Maximum SL is 75 points and minimum profit should be 100 points. 100 points should be minimum profit and maximum SL should be 75 points. So what do we mean by maximum SL? See, आपको stop loss हमेशा logical level पे लगाना पड़ेगा. अगर आप शॉर्ट जा रहे हो, नीचे जा रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू प्लेस अ स्टॉप लॉस अबव रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. और अगर आप लॉन्ग जा रहे हो, ऊपर जा रहे हो, लॉन्ग जा रहे हो, ऊपर जा रहे हो, तो विल प्लेस द स्टॉप लॉस बिलो द रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. लॉजिकल. सो ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं. यहाँ पे सपोज ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे आप लॉन्ग गए, ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट आया, यहाँ से you took your entry here. Now while going long, what I said, you will keep your stop loss below support level. यहाँ पे support बना है, यहाँ पे you place the support level. It can also be possible कि ये जो है ना, this is 45 points. It is absolutely possible कि आपका SL, you can keep your SL at only 45 points. Then we'll keep your SL at 45 points. There is no need to keep your SL at 75. What I'm saying is, while you will trade using X1, the maximum SL you will keep is at 75 points. If you are seeing कि you cannot keep an SL at 75 points, आपको जो भी logical SL का level दिख रहा है, you have to, it will be above 70 points, 75 points, then don't take the trade. Otherwise, if you can't find any logical SL, चलो यहाँ पे आप trade लिया, you took a trade here, and below that, यहाँ पे आप long ले. Now you cannot see any logical SL level. Now you will place your SL at 75 points. अगर आपको logical SL level मिल जाए, तो you will place your SL at that point. It can be below, it can be less than 75 points, but your SL should never be greater than 75 points, never. And profit should be at minimum 100 points. यहाँ पे if you take an entry here, the profit should be minimum 100 points at the minimum. But you can, if you see कि यार मैं यहाँ पे क्यों बुक करूंगा, यहाँ पे the next resistance level is here. Next resistance level is here. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, nothing is here. The next resistance level is here, and this is 130 points. Then absolutely do it. Book your profit at 130 points. What is the problem? आप 100 के अलावा 130 points में बुक करोगे, आप ही का ज्यादा profit होगा. Absolutely book it. So this is what I'm basically trying to say. For Bank Nifty, maximum SL is 75 points, minimum profit is 100 points. Also, one more scenario, ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि आप entry तो ले लिए, you took your entry here. It is absolutely possible कि जो आपका profit level है, after entry you are seeing कि चलो यार यहाँ पे एक important resistance level है, बहुत important resistance level है, and that resistance level is at 85 points. 85 points. So if you are saying that your risk to reward ratio is at least 1:1, you guys can take the trade. I'm not saying you should take the trade. You guys can take the trade. 100 के अलावा 85 points में आपने profit book किया, क्या कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, प्रॉफिट इज प्रॉफिट, यू गाइस कैन टेक द ट्रेड। व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि यहाँ पे एक लॉजिकल रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है, डोंट होल्ड इट टिल 100 पॉइंट्स, डोंट होल्ड इट till 100 पॉइंट्स। लॉजिकल लेवल है 85 पॉइंट्स पे, 85 पॉइंट्स तक गया, निकल जाओ, बात खत्म, ट्रेड खत्म, यही बोल रहा हूँ। सो फॉर बैंक निफ्टी दिस इज इट, एंड फॉर निफ्टी 50 maximum SL is maximum SL is 30 points. For Nifty 50, the maximum SL is 30 points and the minimum profit point is 45 points. For Nifty 50, the maximum SL is 30 points and the minimum profit level is 45 points. Now let's look at some more live examples. Dekho, see here. Here you can, okay. Here you can see that the logical level, यहाँ पे जो मैंने इस candle के close पे जो trade लिया, the logical level and the, see, I told you, I will always keep the maximum stop loss at 75 points max. I will not keep a stop loss above that. See, luckily the logical level, यहाँ पे if I consider this as the support level, after breakout this become the resistance, I put my stop loss just above the resistance. 74.25 and 75 points. See, 75 points and I book my profit at 100 points. At 100 points. I did not want to take risk. I wanted to place it. मैं 100 पॉइंट में प्रॉफिट बुक करके निकल गई, आज ही का है, सी टुडे ओनली टारगेट हिट टुडे। लेट्स सी सम मोर, few more examples. Okay, so this is 21st September, this is 20th September, ये कल का बात है, ये कल का बात है। सी यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे प्राइस गया, at this level the price is constantly touching, ठीक है ना, यहाँ से constant support ले रहा है, the price is constantly taking support from here, so I drew a support resistance, a support and resistance, a basic, this is neither current day high nor current dollar, this is a simple support line, मैंने यहाँ पे support बना लिया। Now you can see कि यहाँ पे touch करके look at the candle here, this is a very bullish candle, see पूरा, see such a strong HPR, such a strong HPR and at a support level, such a strong HPR and a support level। तो यहाँ पे देखो, when the price was here, जब प्राइस यहाँ पे था, ठीक है ना, देखो जब प्राइस यहाँ पे था, देखो जब प्राइस यहाँ पे था, number one criteria took support, the price took support from a support level, criteria number one hit। Now X1 bar green bar green line, criteria 2 and 3 hit, you entered the trade here, see here यहाँ पे मैंने कितना SL रखा, here I did not keep SL 75 points, I only kept 49 points, 50 points, because why in the world will I keep 75 points? यार खुद का लॉस बढ़ाना कौन चाहता है? No one wants. So keep here, यहाँ पे लॉजिकल रख दो, I placed a logical SL at around 48-47 points and I booked target at 100 points। यहाँ पे देखो 100 points पे देखो, 100 points पे एक रेजिस्टेंस देखो, यहाँ पे टच करके नीचे आ गया, तो व्हाट डज दिस मीन कि यहाँ पे हल्का से एक रेजिस्टेंस है, और 100 पॉइंट भी, द 100th point was also around this resistance, so as soon as the price touched 100 points I booked my profit, exited the trade। Let's look at one more example। See, perfect, let's look at this। ये देखो, this is the day before that, this is Monday 19 September, देखो। Oh, and one more thing, guys, one more thing, okay, one more thing. In this particular strategy, the second strategy we are learning, when you will take a trade using this strategy, always take trade after 10 a.m. Always take a trade after 10 a.m. and don't take a trade, always take a trade after 10 a.m. and before 2 p.m. See, some days can be exception, ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि 2 बजे के बाद इनका या हिट हो गया, always, of course there is always exceptions in the stock market, but in majority what happens ki the market opens at 9:15, तो 9:15 से ये 10 बजे ये जो टाइम है ना, मार्केट बहुत वोलेटाइल रहता है, उल्टा सीधा मूव करता है, ऐसे ऊपर गया ऐसे नीचे गया, तो अवॉइड ट्रेडिंग टिल 10 AM से 9:45 to 10 AM, फ्रॉम दैट टाइम रेंज मार्केट थोड़ा शांत होना शुरू करते हैं. यू स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग आफ्टर 10 AM एंड द सेम थिंग हैपेंस आफ्टर 2 PM. 2 PM मतलब सिर्फ 1 घंटा बचा हुआ है मार्केट बंद होने में, तो बहुत वोलेटाइल होता है, ऊपर नीचे, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रबिश. तो ट्रेड, take an entry for this particular. See, other strategies can work after 2 PM. There can be specific strategies for after 2 PM. But in this particular strategy, take a trade after 10 AM and before 2 PM. Now, let's look at some more examples. See here, ये जो था देखिए, the market देखिए, कल what we discussed yesterday, sideways market. See, full sideways market. See how is the market moving sideways, full sideways market. तो यहाँ पे when it gave a breakdown, ये जो लेवल है ये एक सपोर्ट लेवल है, यहाँ पे देखो एक बहुत ही सुंदर ब्रेकडाउन दिया, उसके बाद से ब्रेकडाउन ही नहीं दिया. सी यहाँ पे जो ब्रेकडाउन दिया ना, when it gave a breakdown, my line X1 line was still green. So I did not take it. You have to follow your rules. You have to stay honest to your rules. Line was still green, तो मैंने एंट्री नहीं लिया. After this candle, see, this candle is HPR, full bearish hammer candle. This candle is full bearish hammer. This candle is full. It gave me even more. See, ये कैंडल को देख के मुझे पता चला कि मार्केट नीचे जाने वाला है. आफ्टर सीइंग दिस कैंडल, इसके बाद एक और bearish कैंडल, मुझे और कॉन्फर्मेशन है कि पक्का भी मार्केट नीचे जाएगा. So after this, what happens? It turned red. I entered the trade here because this one already broke the support resistance level. So criteria 1 was already done. Criteria 2 already done. Only criteria 3 was missing. यहाँ पे criteria 3 भी हो गया. यहाँ पे entry लिया, 100 points target. Done. It's as simple. See, now, why I am saying. So Isha asked how to avoid fake breakouts, right? So this is another way. I told you that was the first way and this is the second way. How X1 helps you to prevent fake breakouts. See, look at this. यहाँ पे एक मेजर सपोर्ट लेवल है ना, राइट गाइस, बहुत ही मेजर सपोर्ट लेवल है. देखो एकदम प्रॉपर बियरिश एनगल्फिंग इसको ब्रेक किया. अगर मेरे पास X1 नहीं रहता ना, आई एम टेलिंग यू, मैं खुद यहाँ पे ट्रेड ले लेता, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी गुड एंट्री. इतना प्रॉपर एक बियरिश कैंडल इसको ब्रेक किया. बट आई एम लकी, आई हैव X1. देखो यहाँ पे रेड है, बट दिस लाइन इज ग्रीन एंड अबव द ब्लू लाइन. सो ऑल माय 3 क्राइटेरियाज आर नॉट हिट. आई विल नॉट टेक एंट्री. मैं एंट्री नहीं लूंगा. व्हाट हैपेंड? मेरा पैसा बच गया. माय ट्रेड डिड नॉट हिट एसएल. अगर मैं यहाँ पे एंट्री लेता ना, दिस वाज नथिंग. ये पूरा फेक ब्रेकआउट था. देखो ये लेवल से, देखो सिंपल, ये लेवल को प्राइस ने तोड़ा, फिर से प्राइस इसके अंदर चला गया. मेरा कुछ नहीं होता, मेरा एसएल हिट होता. X1 saved me from fake breakouts. So this is another good feature of our this indicator and strategy. I have been following this. It saved so many of my SL as a fake breakouts. See, ये breakout दे दिया, ये भी लाल हो गया, but this line was green, so you should not enter here. And what happened? It only benefited you. If you had entered, SL hit. You did not enter. Everyone who entered here, ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे तो लोगों ने शॉर्ट किया ना, अभी ये नीचे गए ना. Those who entered here, those who did not have X1, all their SL got hit. Let's look another example. Look at this. See, ये देखो, ये था 16 सितंबर, फ्राइडे, आई गेस फ्राइडे था 16 सितंबर. देखो ये था CDH. देखो how the market is respecting CDH. Current day high, current day low. Up till this moment, up till 1 PM, this was the current day low. So this is a very strong support level. And this is current day high. This is a very strong resistance level. So I marked it. मैंने यहाँ पे मार्क कर दिया current day, यहाँ पे मार्क कर दिया current day low. और फिर मैं देख रहा हूँ ये तो हो गया, ये तो हुआ. In between this, इसके अंदर भी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि यार प्राइस ने एक और सपोर्ट लेवल बना दिया. Because the price is constantly touching this level and going up. The price is moving in a range. Market structure 3, याद करो guys, market structure 3, sideways market. Market is moving in a range. देखो मार्केट पूरा रेंज बाउंड है, साइडवेज जा रहा है, रेंज में मूव कर रहा है. तो as soon as the market यहाँ पे तोड़ा ना, यहाँ पे तोड़ दिया, ठीक है ना, the market broke here. See, criteria 1, supporting basic market, supporting basic support and respecting basic support and resistance level. Criteria 1 hit. Criteria 3 red line below the blue line. Criteria 3 hit, but criteria 2 green not hit. Criteria 2 not hit. You have to see यही है यहाँ पे. नो आई एम टेलिंग यू इन रियलिटी क्या होगा जब आपको एक दिन टेस्ट मिल जाएगा ना आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस स्ट्रेटेजी, व्हेन द फर्स्ट डे विल मेक मनी, जो आपको द टेस्ट यू गेट मेकिंग मनी ना, ये जो होगा ना आपको दिख रहा है कि दिस इज अ गुड ब्रेकआउट, दिस इज अ गुड ब्रेकआउट, इवन दिस लाइन इज सेइंग रेड, even this line, both my criterias are telling to take a short trade, but this stupid bar is green. You will get frustrated, you will find it very difficult to control yourself to not enter this trade, but do control yourself, because yes out of 10 times maybe 4 times agar aap you do not follow all the criteria, out of 4 times it is possible ki target hit ho gaya, you will aapko bura lagega, but 6 times aapka that 6 times your SL will get saved, the price will hit your SL. So if you follow all these criteria, it will save you 6 out of 10 times. So I waited. See, as soon as see this candle, देखो यहाँ पे breakout दिया ना, ये it was kind of a fake breakout. Breakout देने के बाद फिर से प्राइस घुस गया, फिर से प्राइस ने ब्रेकआउट दिया, और जब इस बार ब्रेकआउट दिया, देखो when it gave a breakout at here, there was red bar here as well as the line is red. So I entered the trade here. See how much I kept SL. I kept SL 39 points. I do not need to keep 75 points. I don't need it. I know the logical stop loss is here. So मैंने यहाँ पे SL रखा, and see what I was telling, target level. Look at this target. See, यहाँ पे this is what I say 100 level target, right? This is standard. 100 level पे आप book कर. But I was saying कि यार यहाँ पे मैं book कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा नीचे current day low है, थोड़ा सा ही नीचे current day low है, मैं current day low तक होल्ड करूंगा, because यहाँ पे कोई support level नहीं है. The nearest logical support level is just below 100 points. मैं वहां तक होल्ड करूंगा, यहाँ तक आप होल्ड कर लो. See 149 rupees hit, and what is the risk reward ratio? 1:3.9, 1:4. आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना ये स्ट्रेटेजी? See every day it hits target every day. देखिए मैंने ये सब एनालिसिस किया है, ठीक है ना? देखिए all this I did trade. चलिए you guys go back, target hit, go back, target hit, और भी है. Okay, all my previous data got deleted. So this is how good this strategy is. This has an excellent, see you guys have said this is the last okay, see this is 14th September till today is around 5 days, I guess 4 to 5 days, something like that. 4 to 5 trading days. In 4 to 5 trading days, not a single stop loss is it, not a single stop loss. And the best part of this strategy, why I said this is only for day trading, because you get entry almost every day. आपको almost every day entry मिलेगा. ऐसा नहीं आज जो आपको आज entry मिला, इस week में एक भी दिन आपको entry नहीं मिलेगा. You will again get entry next day. So if you get an entry next day, you can't say it's consistent, right? This strategy will give you entry almost every day. I will not lie. एवरी डे नहीं मिलता. अगर मार्केट ऐसा पूरा साइडवेज जाएगा ना, साइडवेज मार्केट पर ऊपर ही नहीं जाएगा तो आप प्रॉफिट कैसे कमाओगे, नीचे नहीं जाएगा प्रॉफिट कैसे कमाओगे? ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे एंट्री मिलता है. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, यू गाइस देखिए मैं आपको सामने चार्ट खुल के दिखा रहा हूँ. दिस इज टुडेस ट्रेड, सॉरी दिस इज नॉट टुडे, दिस इज टुडेस ट्रेड. सी आज का दिन, टुडे, दिस इज यस्टरडे. एवरी डे टारगेट हिट. सी दिस इज मोर देन 5 days, दिस इज मोर देन 5 ट्रेडिंग डेज. एक हफ्ते के ऊपर, इन 1 day every day target hit, and 1 day every day risk to reward ratio is above 1:1.5. इस दिन तो देखो 1:1.4, sorry 1:4. You are risking 1 rupees to 4 rupees. So this is finance indicator X1. You can use it for both bank nifty and nifty. See nifty also I traded. I have done analysis. See nifty today nifty यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे इस लेवल को ब्रेक किया, रेड टारगेट हिट. देखो यहाँ पे ये लेवल था, देखो इसको भी टारगेट हिट, ये लेवल को ब्रेक किया, रेड देखो क्रॉसओवर दिया, टारगेट हिट. देखो सी देखो यहाँ पे एसएल हिट किया. सी आई वांटेड टू शो यू गाइस, बिकॉज सी रियल वर्ल्ड में दे आर ऑलवेज हमेशा प्रॉफिट बुक नहीं होगा आपका एसएल, ऑफ कोर्स हिट हो. सी आई वांटेड टू शो यू दिस, कहाँ पे एसएल हिट हुआ. सी यहाँ पे देखो एक्चुअली यहाँ पे भी टारगेट हिट हुआ, यहाँ पे भी टारगेट हिट हुआ, बट एसएल हिट होकर टारगेट हिट हुआ, राइट, एसएल हिट होकर टारगेट हिट हुआ. सो गाइस दिस इज नो one more thing. The thing is कि in this indicator you have to do one change. आपको सेटिंग when you are using in बैंक निफ्टी ना, जब आप बैंक निफ्टी में यूज कर रहे हो आपको सेटिंग्स में जाना पड़ेगा. You have to choose बैंक निफ्टी, you have to choose बैंक निफ्टी, that's it. And when you are trading nifty you have to choose nifty, that's it, simple. जब आप निफ्टी चूज करोगे you will deselect बैंक निफ्टी, ऐसे रहेगा, you will deselect बैंक निफ्टी and will choose nifty, okay. And when you are doing बैंक निफ्टी you will go to the settings, select बैंक निफ्टी, okay, done, that's it. So this is it. तो आज का सेशन यही पे खत्म हुआ. गाइस मजा आया आप सबको इस वेबिनार में? समझ में आया? कुछ हेल्प हुआ?
আচ্ছা কি করে ইন্ডিকেটরটা ইউজ মানে ইয়ে করব, এক্সিকিউট বলতে ল্যাপটপে কি করে আনবো?
ল্যাপটপে সব আমি সব বোঝাচ্ছি. এটা ইন্ডিকেটরটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমাদের নেক্সট উইকে আসছে ইন্ডিকেটর, ঠিক আছে? নেক্সট উইকে আসছে. তো এবার মানে এখন মানে এটা কাইন্ড অফ বেটা টেস্টিং নেক্সট উইকে আসছে. তো আমাদের ওয়েবসাইট সমস্ত আমি বোঝাচ্ছি. আমি বাকিদের জিজ্ঞেস করি ওদের কোনো ডাউট আছে তারপর আমি সব বোঝাচ্ছি. এনিওয়ান গাইস, এনিওয়ান এলস, ডু ইউ হ্যাভ এনি প্রবলেম, এনি ডাউট? আস্ক মি. ওকে, সো আচ্ছা, হু আস্ক ইন্ডিকেটর, হাউ উইল ইউ গেট দ্য ইন্ডিকেটর?
আমি উচ্ছ্বাস দাস।
उच्छ्वास दास, अच्छा उच्छ्वास. सो ओके सो आपको इंडिकेटर, ये इंडिकेटर ऐसे मिलेगा. यहाँ पे यू विल गो टू आवर वेबसाइट फाइनेंस्ड. ओके, यू विल गो टू आवर वेबसाइट. You will go to our website and here in this section you can find indicator or you can click from here learn more or here जहाँ पे भी आपका मन चाहे क्लिक कर दो. The name of this strategy, आज जो strategy हम लोग सीखे उसका नाम है, आज जो स्ट्रेटेजी सीखे उसका नाम है इंडिकेटर X1. इंडिकेटर X1 ये you can go here learn more and see, this is it. यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा. Here is all, see this is May month. In May month in Bank Nifty the win rate was 90.5%. 90.5% win rate. How many days, कितना दिन टारगेट हिट हुआ? See everything is given. बैंक निफ्टी में May में see all the green days the indicator gave profit. All the green days the indicator made profit. This is Nifty. This is April. April में see 78.9%, almost 80%. 80% win rate था Nifty 50 में at April. So this is here you can do. Here you can click them and I will send you. See all those I said ना, आज जो मैंने iPad में जो भी আমি যা বুঝিয়েছি iPad এ সমস্ত কিছু আমি পাঠিয়ে দেবো, সমস্ত কিছু PDF. Plus you can also download the manual from here. Here I have made a video, so you guys can watch the screen recording. But you can also there is I have a video tutorial कि कैसे use करना है, सब कुछ यहाँ पे है. And this is so the indicator will come live for next week. All you have to do is click on notify me and you have to share all your details. Notify me as soon as the indicator comes live next week. We will inform you. The pricing will be around I guess $6.99 या फिर $4.99 per month, something like that. I am not sure. It will be something like that. So ये हो गया indicator. Okay, so कैसे indicator, how you guys will get indicator, समझ में आया? Okay, one more thing. See, many of you might know how to use RSI and all. ये webinar में तो मुझे उतना वक्त नहीं मिला. I could not share with you guys, but here you can see. These are all, see, for this indicator, these are absolutely free indicator. In trading, you see, TradingView का free account में what happens in TradingView free account की we can use only up to 3 indicators, right? We can use only up to 3 indicators. So maybe I want to use EMA and RSI together. ठीक है ना? I want to use EMA and RSI together. ऐसे नहीं होता. There are various EMA strategies like 3 EMA strategy. Follow us. I Fiinanced को follow करें YouTube में. मैं बहुत ही जल्दी ये सब वीडियो अपलोड करने वाला हूँ. तो वहाँ पे आपको पता चलेगा कि there are a very beautiful day trading strategies using 3 EMAs. EMA is an indicator. तो TradingView का free account में क्या होता है कि आपको सिर्फ you can only use 3 indicators in a chart. You cannot use 4. So what we did is in this indicator, this is absolutely free of cost, nothing. In this indicator, what we did is in one indicator you will get 3 indicators. So you don't have to add 3 indicators. एक ही indicator में आपको 3 indicator मिल जाएगा. एक ही indicator में. So same, आप notify me कर लो. Next week सब live हो जाएगा. We will send you. You have to give your TradingView ID. We'll send you the indicator directly to your TradingView account. Same यहाँ पे you can check this. This is F2. F2 में मतलब Maybe some of you know what is RSI. Maybe some of you know what is RSI. So this indicator directly shows, you don't have to figure out कि RSI divergence कहाँ पे. This indicator is uses smart intelligence. It will automatically show कि RSI divergence कहाँ पे. See, यहाँ पे automatically indicator आपको दिखा देगा कि यहाँ पे RSI divergence, आपको ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा. Okay, so ये हुआ. So this is about the indicator. Now guys, what you learned today about the webinar? Do you guys have any problem? Ask me. Any problem? सब कुछ समझ में आया ना? Guys, are you there? Okay, chalo. So I'll take it as a yes. Okay. So now one more thing. So see, आप देखिए कि trading is not simple. Trading is not easy. I won't say कि trading is easy, but trading is simple. Trading is simple once you know. Trading is absolutely simple. आपको एक बार अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ जाए तो trading बहुत simple है. Now, if you guys like, in this webinar, you were able to start your journey. ठीक है ना? चलो यार journey start हो गया. Now, if you want to become a profitable trader, earn money from the money consistently, right? You need to learn everything. आप अभी बताओ, एक webinar में 2 दिन का webinar में, it's absolutely impossible to teach everything, right? It takes 3 to 4 months. It takes 3 to 4 months to teach everyone. Teach enough. You can never learn everything. Every day you are learning more. Every day you are learning new things. So it takes 3 to 4 months to teach, to learn enough so that you guys can make, so that we can make money consistently. So if you want, you guys can check out our courses. If you guys are interested, if you guys liked how I taught, you guys can check out our courses. So there are 2 courses available. This is a basic course, like who want to just चलो यार अभी start कर दूंगा, मुझे अभी start करना है. This is a trading course. We will cover only Indian market in this. इसमें we will cover only Indian markets, the basics. But and forex. Okay, forex का basics भी हम लोग यहाँ पे cover करेंगे. And this is the all-in-one course. यहाँ पे stock market के बारे में जो जानना है, whatever you need to know in order to become profitable, everything. In all-in-one course, see, we'll cover Indian market, forex as well as crypto. सब कुछ सिखाएंगे यार. Crypto सब कुछ है, everything. All-in-one market, all-in-one course में सब कुछ है. And look at the prices, guys. This is the prices, but there's a big but. The but is, so on this auspicious event of our webinar, we are launching this course. This is the beginner's course. This is the starting course. So suppose I don't want to learn forex and crypto. I only want to learn Indian markets now. So you guys can, if you guys liked my teaching and you guys want to proceed your trading journey further, you can view our course. This will be live. Okay, this course will be for around 3 weeks to 4 weeks. 2-3 से 4 हफ्ते के लिए होगा live course. इसमें हम लोग Indian market cover करेंगे, basics, Indian market basics. And this course में, and of course, if you guys take it, I'm telling you, if you guys take it, use this code, because we have set this price for everyone who attended this webinar. Everyone, जो webinar के लिए register किया, सबके लिए ये price है. And for others who are much more interested in stock market, चलो यार मुझे अभी सब कुछ सीखना है. मैं सिर्फ ये क्यों, मैं crypto भी सीखूंगा, because of course, who does not want to know crypto? Crypto is our future. Crypto is a part of our future. Crypto has become too big. देखो, crypto market अभी down चल रहा है, blah blah blah. But crypto market has become too big to just get erased out of existence. It is not possible. Crypto is our future. And forex, many of you might know forex, foreign market. Foreign market stays open almost 24 hours. See, Indian market 3:30 बजे बंद हो जाता है ना. Foreign market पूरा रात को 2:30 तक open रहता है. Foreign market, anyone can trade foreign market from anywhere. I remember one day I was eating my dinner at 10 p.m. and I was doing forex trade. So that's the beauty of foreign market. So in this course, we will teach you everything from the very basics, foreign market, crypto market, as well as, of course, Indian market, everything from basics to different strategies and indicator. You guys can go to our website and check out all the content, what we are going to cover in both these courses. So if you guys are interested, you can contact us. You can, of course, you have to say notify me. We'll contact you. And don't forget to use, if you guys are interested, and if you guys like my teaching and want to continue, don't forget to use this code, because in this code, you can save 10,000 rupees. So of course, if you are interested, use this code. So this is the webinar here, guys. Khatam ho gaya webinar. After Durga Puja, I guess most of you are from Bengali. তো পুজোর পর আবার একটা ওয়েবিনার আমরা হয়তো অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে পারি, বাট পুজোর আগে তো আপাতত না। এখানে ওয়েবিনার শেষ হলো, খুব ভালো লাগলো তোমাদের পড়িয়ে। ভালো করে ট্রেডিংটা শেখো, ভালো করে ট্রেডিং করো, চাই অনেক টাকা কামাও তোমরা। আবার দেখা হবে।
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
My pleasure, my pleasure. And I will send I will send you guys recording tomorrow and all the PDF. If tonight agar আজকে রাতের মধ্যে যদি না পাঠাতে পারি recording গুলো, I'll positively send you guys all the recording and all the PDF screenshots by tomorrow morning, absolutely for sure. And I am really glad that you guys did not find my teaching boring. You guys enjoy it, and I was able to teach you something. You guys were able to learn. Thank you. Okay, guys. So see you again.
Thank you. তুমিও দুর্গাপূজা এনজয় করো ভালো করে।
হ্যাঁ, of course, তোমরাও এনজয় করো অবশ্যই। ঠিক আছে তাহলে, ভালো থেকো তোমরা সবাই। Okay, bye. Thank you, and guys, thank you again for participating. It really means a lot to us.